Hey, welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are continuing the amendment series of Finance Act 2019, applicable for November 20 students, May 21, November 21, and so on. Okay, so today's lecture is very small amendment I'll be covering, but very important. Amendment happen here on the concept of charitable trust. On the concept of charitable trust. Amendment happened in concept of charitable trust. What happened in the amendment? I hope you know. In the topic is covered under section 11 and section 12 of Income Tax Act, and if the 5 conditions are satisfied, the income of the trust is exempt from tax. What are those 5 conditions? Registration, activities in India, books of accounts, maintain audit, filing the return, minimum 85% should be spent or applied, maximum 15% can be invested under 11 subsection 5 modes. Now in that, the amendment happened under registration category. Registration is covered under section 12AA of the Income Tax Act for this. And who has the power to grant registration? CIT has the power to give registration. Okay, now application is filed by 4 friends for registration. They want to start a school. They file an application. An application will be filed in form number 10A. Application is filed by the friends and they want registration for charitable trust. They'll file application form 10A. Okay. What will CIT check? What will CIT check before giving registration? CIT will check, first point, genuineness of the activities of the trust. Whether they are telling they want to start a school, whether they are literally want to start the school, genuinely want to start a school, that will be checked by the trust. And amendment happen. CIT will also ensure, and this is amendment. What I am writing is amendment. I will write in a different thing so that you understand. This amendment, and shall ensure that trust complies with any other law, time being in force. Trust also ensures, the CIT will ensure that trust complies with any other law, time being in force. For example, you open a charitable trust in Madhya Pradesh. There is an act called the Madhya Pradesh Charitable Trust Act, applicable only in Madhya Pradesh. 2% of the donations has to be given to state government. You can Google it, you will find it. Madhya Pradesh Act you have in only applicable to Madhya Pradesh people and Madhya Pradesh Charitable Trust. 2% of donations has to be given there to state government. So CIT will ensure that the trust also complies with that law also. If they comply, then registration will be granted. The check. If he is satisfied, he will grant the registration. He is not satisfied, application will be rejected. Application will be rejected. I hope I am very clear. Very small amendment, sir. Charitable trust under Ration 12A, when you file application to Commissioner of Income Tax Form 10A. Before giving the registration, he will check the genuineness of the activities of the trust, and he will also ensure the trust complies with any other law, time being in force. Then if he is satisfied, he will grant registration. Not satisfied, application will be rejected. One more amendment in this, I'll cover that also. Second amendment, this is the first amendment. Copy this. प्लीज सर अच्छे से कॉपी करो. ठीक है. Now listen. So once again I repeat, it's a very small amendment. Charitable trust will file an application for registration. CIT has the power to grant registration. He will grant only if he ensures that you are complying with other laws also, time being in force. For example, in Madhya Pradesh, there's an act called Madhya Pradesh Charity Act. You have to give 2% of the donations to that Madhya Pradesh state government. If you do, he'll give the registration. Now, one more amendment happened in charitable trust. Second amendment is this. What I wrote on the other ink, that is amendment. When can CIT cancel the registration? When CIT has the power to give the registration, they also have the power. CIT means Commission of Income Tax. They also have the power to take back the registration. Three cases. Activities are not genuine. Activities of the trust are not in accordance with the objects. You told that you will run a school, but you are running TV showroom. Or charitable trust fails to comply with any other law, time being in force. Example, in Madhya Pradesh, as per Madhya Pradesh Charity Act, MPCA, Madhya Pradesh Charity Act, 2% donation shall be given to state government. Charitable trust did not comply with the above rule. So I gave only 1.5% of donations to the Madhya Pradesh state government, provided my charitable trust is in Madhya Pradesh. Then the commissioner will cancel my registration. Before we had only 2 points, 1 and 2. This third is the amendment in the Bail Act. Before he had only these 2 points. In 2 cases only he can cancel the registration. Now 3 cases may anyone if you fall, CIT will take back your registration as per 12A subsection 4. Okay. Please note it down. ठीक है? Sure. So we'll see in the next video, sir. Have a nice day. This completes amendment in Finance Act 2019 with respect to charitable trust concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.